All right, here's a question for you have to find the distance from a point to a line. Your first job is to turn it into ax plus by plus c. That equal to 0. That's your first job. So we're going to take this line into 2x plus y minus 6, both sides equal to 0. So what that tells you is your a equals to 2, b equals to 1, c equals to negative 6. Now, step 2. Step 2 is find your point. You need a point. So you need x1, y1, and that is our point P. So that's that. So your x1 equals to 4, y1 equals to 8. Now step 3, you're just going to plug into this formula. The distance is, by the way, is absolute value. You have a x1 plus b y2 plus c all over square root of a squared plus b squared in the absolute value form. So that means basically distance is always positive. That's the meaning of it. So now I have a equals to 2, x equals to 4, I'm going to use a blue, 4, plus b equals to 1, y1 equals to 8, plus c equals to negative 6, all over square root of a squared, which is 2 squared, plus 1 squared, b squared. So now your final answer is just going to be 8 plus 8 minus 6 all over 4 plus 12. That is 10 over 16, which is 10 over 4, and that is equal to 5 over 2. And that's your answer, and you're done. Hopefully that helped. Just follow that path. You have 3 steps. 1, create ax plus by plus c. Step 2, just make sure you know where your point is always given. 3, plug everything into the formula, and you're done. All right.